Alright, good morning everybody. On my way to work. Not sure how long this battery is going to last or how much memory is on this card, so I'm going to do something real quick. We'll talk about these. Probably the best upgrade I've done on this 2012 Versys so far since I've had it. It's 5:30 in the morning, so it's dark out. Is it raining? It might not be raining. Well, somebody was running by. And that is a set of NiLite 6 LED pods. I don't know what to call them. I'll put a link down there. I know this GoPro doesn't have the best low light capabilities, but this is going to be easy to tell. I'll do it when I get out here on main road. But they add so much light, and if I remember correctly, the entire kit with mounting hardware, the two lights, the switch, everything was under 50 bucks. Alright, so this is low beam for the Versys. That's high beam for the Versys. So low beam, high beam, low beam, NiLite, and then high beam. You can't even really tell. But that is the best upgrade I've done on this bike so far. It's so much brighter. The first day I rode this bike, I almost got hit a couple times at this hour because I guess people couldn't see me from the standard light. So I ordered these NiLites, which I have mounted down here on the crash guard. One on that side, one on that side. They're very durable. They get a hard aluminum shell. There's 6 LEDs in each of those, and I believe those are the 4-inch ones. I was actually going to get a bigger one now that I love them, and being the price they were. Let's see, I'll turn them back off here. So, with NiLite, without NiLite. I mean, a huge difference. So, quick little shout out to NiLite. This is not a paid promotion or anything. This is just, I'm on my way to work and I thought I would, speed up the bus train. I thought I would do a little video about them because, well, it's dark out. There's not much to see at this hour. Alright, so that was the NiLite demo. I'm going to see if I can't pull over somewhere up here. Yeah, we'll pull into the waypoint. Take a quick little video. Show you how bright these NiLites are. Oh yeah. Let me try to, here we go. Now you can see, earlier you saw how bright they were, but we'll go to the front. So, you can easily see the difference in the brightness in the regular headlights and the NiLites. Those things are super bright, super clear. So, if you want to check them out, like I said, I'll put a link down there. They are cheap, but they do not feel it or act like it. I looked at other ones. Other ones were in the hundreds of dollars for a set of 2. That didn't include the mounting hardware or the switch, which it came with all of it. So go check them out. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, share, all of that stuff. If you have any questions about these NiLites, feel free to ask.